Okay guys, back getting ready to put on the wing walks, and I'm gonna use this Sling TSI over here as reference, but Jonathan is gonna show me. Okay, so this is the wing walk.
We basically got a template laid out. It's just
perfect. Alright, it's also to tell you, don't step on this. Alright, let's do it. So,
clean?
Yeah, I guess I thought I would need to do that. Alright, got some alcohol. So, because we're using glue.
Working with a compressor.
Okay, wipe this down. And then I'll wipe it down again with some alcohol. This may be the simplest part of the airplane because it's defined for you where those walk patches would be. So alright, this is nice and clean. Now we'll install those. Should be roughly easy. Now you see that you get them out of the bag. There are long ones and short ones. The shorter ones will go here. So you've got a long one here. I'll start from the end point. There we go. Try my best to fit this perfectly right. It's close to it.
Yeah. This is more left.
Usually the focus is
One down.
And
7 to go. Thank you. Just trying to size it up. Alright, wing 2, wiping the surface down.